too. You're just blowing on it. That was so cool. If you missed this. So the kids are off of school today. And Grandma's visiting.
Yeah.
And we got my iPad working. It hasn't been working in like a year, so the kids found a game that I had on there.
Now you get 9.
And they've been playing it all weekend. Life. Who's winning?
Me. She is. Okay, so I got the 2 like best things ever. I just bought a condo. Go. And I've got like the 2 jobs that came up, the job cards. I got veterinarian and doctor, which is $80,000 for veterinarian and $100,000 for doctor. So I chose doctor, and he got veterinarian. I lands on money every time.
She just won $100,000. I still haven't even gotten married.
Yeah, but you beat us last night.
Yeah, but barely.
Beat us in Yahtzee last night. Beat us in life last night.
No,
you still beat me
Grandma,
and Marissa.
I was creamed in Yahtzee.
Yeah, Grandma actually won in Yahtzee.
Yeah, but in this last night, I thought I was gonna win until Grandma sued me.
And then you lost by like $30,000, right?
$30,000. But Grandma sued me, or I would have won. Because you say that people for $100,000.
Right, so we're not sure of our plans today. We're going to go for breakfast at Waffle House. So that's like Grandma's favorite thing. And then we'll have to see what else we're going to do for the day. Right?
Yep. Did you get wedding gifts?
Yeah.
I don't want kids.
Well, too bad you just got twin boys.
Why boys? Now I have to pay for them.
Matthew, your orthodontist office just called me too. And they can see us at 3.
Okay.
2 of Matthew's brackets fell off this weekend.
Not my fault.
So he says.
He did it while he was eating ice cream and a sandwich.
Yeah.
I don't think it was his
Yeah, but maybe it was popcorn you've been eating before that.
No.
What do you want, Misha?
She just wants to be in the spotlight.
Apparently so. What? What are you doing?
She thinks we have a treat.
She's like,
Oh, I
"Look
do
at
have
me."
a treat in my hand. She's so smart. What do you want, this treat? All right, we're going to show you a trick that Misha does. Misha can sneeze on command. Sneeze. Sneeze again. Sneeze one more time. Here's your treat.
Mama, I
Got a baby girl.
No, not another one. I had another kid.
I've never seen a dog that can sneeze on command. This dog is so crazy.
Mama, oh my gosh, I remember what Grandma asked us while we were giggling last night. It was because Misha kept jumping back up when we were trying to get up.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Like, you put her down, and she went.
We were trying to get up to go get ready for bed, so I put Misha down. She kept jumping on us.
Huh. This is hopefully. Yeah, hopefully. Look at that waterfall thing. It's so blue and greeny. Yeah. Don't help me. Hard to see that. Gotta aim. It's like a hill.
It's the hill. It's the hill that's doing it.
This is for 5. All right. Right around it. I got it.
Mama, it's your turn. You gotta hit it softer.
Gotta aim, baby.
Get it softer. Get it like really close.
Take your time and aim. There you go.
5. You saw that go right here, right? What's she doing?
I don't know. Marissa. Don't fall in. You guys are not focusing.
I am. It's like what are you doing? I'm sitting down. Okay.
Matthew, move your foot. If you don't get it this time.
She misses. 3. 19. You. It was stopping right there.
You both are such cheaters. You just don't like it because I'm going to win.
Cheater, bucket eaters.
Because I am kicking both of your butt.
5, 8, 9, 10. Give me that thing.
4.
4.
Really?
Yeah, 4.
Okay, so what's 6 plus 4, Matt?
10.
Okay, so you got 10.
No!
At least you know your math.
No, it wasn't 10. It was like 8. Yeah, I counted. Number 10. What?
Woo! Meg! Meg, I megged her. Meg, did you see that? I megged her.
Yeah, I
I
saw
should be ashamed.
What?
His ball hit your ball.
Where did that come out of? This?
Show her again. Go do it again.
All right.
Don't put your eye there.
Marissa.
No. Marissa, move out of the way. Seriously, like move.
There's a little hole right here. Oh! Oh!
That's cool.
All right, so we are halfway through.
2.
And the score is Marissa, 35, Matthew, 38, and me.
Woo! 38! 38, bro!
I'm winning! Oh, wait! I saved that lead from drowning. And I saved 2 balls. I saved 2 balls, too. Because our balls fell in the water.
I got a 2 on that
Oh, you
last
guys both had your balls go in the water?
Yeah. But I got
So
them.
did you finish?
I finished it. I got 2.
2, really?
Yeah, I did. I promise. I promise you. I got 2.
Okay.
These two are just clowning around today. Oh, Marissa went in the water. Marissa's went in the water again. Good catch, Matt.
That's what
He
I
was
did.
ready for it.
They called him Matthew. I'm okay. Go.
You two are really good at mini golf usually. What's your problem today?
Good.
Just feel like goofing off?
No! No! Yay! No!
In the water again. We should just give you a 10 and be done with it.
It's not very fair. Not my ball. You're very good. Yes, I am. It just went really hard. You hit it a little bit too hard. One time I get it over. Ow! Splinter!
Much better, Marissa.
Okay, I got it out.
Yes!
Don't fall, please. Oh.
Let it go.
Marissa.
That's so weird. It doesn't even have grass or green under there. That's what I wanted to say. They tricked
Yeah,
you.
so the ball doesn't stop.
Yeah. They totally tricked out.
Oh, good job, Marissa. Hole in 2 that time.
Hey, I think that's the best one so far, except for my first one. I somehow got a 2 on it.
And Mama got it too. No, she got it. No, she got it too in a different one. Right? That one was really good. I like this one. That's what's weird.
No, it didn't.
Oh, Matthew. You're just blowing on it. That was so close. If you missed this, Matthew, you did.
No, I didn't.
You missed
All right,
it.
but no.
You were such a clown.
I was being weird. All right, it's where it was.
Uh-huh.
2.
Uh-huh. You're such a goofball.
I want to climb over that thing.
All right, it's your turn, Mama.
Wait, I need to get up.
Whose
Marissa.
putt is that?
Sorry.
Over here, Matt.
Whoa. Look at this.
What a clutch shot.
Look at me,
All
Mom.
right, we're on hole 18. There goes Grandma. Grandma didn't want to play. She hurt her leg last week, so she can't play.
Yeah. She's like, it's too hard with that.
I guess
Don't
it didn't make a difference.
Well, it might be different.
3.
It's a little better.
Two? Wow. Good job. So, you scored it up.
I'm adding up the scores, and right now,
Candy apples.
that was weird. So on the first round, I got 35, Matt got 38, and you got 26. On the second round, no, Mama did. And then on the second round, I got 27, Matthew got 30, and you got 27. So
I won
let's
that
see.
round too.
No, you didn't. 5 plus 7 equals 12.
So basically, I won, right?
I